Hello, I am Pankaj Sharma from PM Expert. In this lesson, we'll learn hashing, why it is useful, and how a hash table works. First, the core idea. A hash function turns a big input into a small, fixed-size output. Here is a simple rule. Count the number of letters. If the input is apple, the hash value is 5. If the input is banana, the hash value is 6. Now, a real-world example, modular hashing. We have 10 slots indexed 0 to 9. The hash function is x mod 10. 15 goes to slot 5, 27 goes to slot 7, and 42 goes to slot 2. Key properties of hashing. Deterministic, meaning the same input always gives the same output. Fixed length, meaning the output size stays the same. And irreversible, meaning you cannot recover the original data from the hash. Where is hashing used? Passwords, fast searching, and data integrity checks. Now, let's go to small hash table with 5 slots, indexed 0 to 4. Our hash function is number of letters mod 5. We will insert Nia, Sam, and Pankaj. Pankaj has 6 letters. 6 mod 5 is 1, so Pankaj goes to slot 1. Nia has 3 letters, so she goes to slot 3. Sam also has 3 letters, so he collides with Mia in slot 3. What is 555-0101? That is the value, the phone number stored with the T Pankaj. In slot 3, Mia and Sam collide, so we use chaining. Mia stays in the slot, and Sam is linked behind her in a small list. To find Sam, compute 3 mod 5, go to slot 3, check Mia, then follow the chain to Sam. This is still very fast compared to searching a long list. Summary. Hashing creates a fast fingerprint. Hash tables use the fingerprint to jump directly to the correct bucket, and collisions are handled with chaining, like we saw with Mia and Sam.